gabi mo pa ako tinatanong yan, I will leave that to the Department of Justice. Again, personally, there could be ground to be principal. Because malakas sa loob ng mga tao na, they're not siya eh. Pero paano hindi lalakas sa loob? Inimbestiga na, may kaso pa. Ililipat mo pa doon sa Antipolo, ililipat mo sa Tagaytay. Anong ibig sabihin mo?
So, paano yung in-a-way, yung pong testimony ni General Lacadie na may nakuha siyang kaunti?
It is as much weight as Aquino's testimony. It has as much weight as the courts. Sinabi na ito ay hindi bypass, ito ay hold up. And together with the circumstantial evidence, the connectivities therein, mabigat yung kaso.
And sir, isa na lang. And tingin niyo sir dun sa mga recommendation ninyo against General Albayalde, makukuha niyo yung support ng mga senador para, so kasi di ba for it to become a formal committee report, it has to be signed by your colleagues, by the majority of the members.
I would say na, by the way, I did this with the permission of the two leaders, Senator Soto. I think he made an announcement that he was giving me the go signal to make this announcement. And Senator Frank Diron, very respected people in the Senate. And I also called Senator Ping. I also called, nakapag-usap kami kahit paano na kung pwede ilabas ko na dahil, sabi nga, go ahead, we'll back you up. So I'm pretty sure na wala naman senador dyan na ayaw maayos itong kasong ito eh. Maybe kung may kaibigan, maybe mag-abstain. Pero I think it will pass through. But even if it does not.